subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Realme has finally launched its new affordable 5G phone in India called Realme 9i with quite new design. Talking about the specifications, the Realme 9i 5G features a tall 6.6-inch Full HD Plus display with up to 90Hz refresh rate and 180Hz touch sampling rate support. The phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 810 chipset paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. The smartphone packs with 4 or 6GB of RAM that can be extended up to 5GB by using internal storage, and it has 64 or 128GB of onboard storage, which is expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Realme 9i 5G supports a triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 50MP main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 2MP macro and 2MP portrait lens with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 8MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 18W fast charging support, and it runs on Android 12 based on Realme UI 3.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.4 by 75.1 by 8.1mm, and it weighs around 187 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Realme 9i 5G has been priced in India for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at 14,999 Indian rupees, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 16,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from August 24th in Metallica Gold, Rocking Black, and Soulful Blue color options. So what do you guys think of this Realme 9i 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.